Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can install PostgreSQL in your Windows operating system and how to create a database on PostgreSQL and how to create a table on it. Okay. So before I start this tutorial, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for never miss any update. So let's start it. So first of all, you need to open your favorite browser and search for PostgreSQL. And as you can see, visit the first link which is appear here, which is from www.postgresql.org. Just visit the link. Okay. So once you click on it, it will show you this kind of web page, where as you can see, PostgreSQL is the world's most advanced and open source relational database. Okay, so for download this, you can click here this download, or you can go for this download, which is top of the website. Okay, both are work, so you can click on any of this. So after click on it, it will show you the downloads page, whereas you can see packages and installer. You can find here different operating system packages and installer such as Linux, macOS, Windows, BSD, Solaris. So I am Windows user, so I am go for the Windows. Okay. So after that, it will show you this page. And as you can see, so at the time making this video, the latest version of PostgreSQL is 14 and which is released on this date. So for download this version, what you need to do, you need to scroll up and choose here this option, which is download the installer. Okay. And once you click on it, it will show you all of the Postgres SQL version and its download option. And here as you can see, 14.4 is the latest one, which is available for Linux, macOS and Windows. So for download this, just click on this option. So once you click on it, it will automatically start our download. Okay. So once our download is complete, just open the folder. And here as you can see, this is our PostgreSQL exe file. So just simply double click on it to install this. Okay. So once you double click on it, it will show you the installation wizard. So here you just simply choose your next option. And here is your installation directory. If you want to change your directory, you can change here. But I don't want to change it. So I just set it by default and choose your next option. And then it will show you the select component, whereas you can see some of PostgreSQL packages which is need to be installed. So here as you can see, the pgAdmin 4 is also installed with our latest PostgreSQL. So you don't need to install this pgAdmin 4 separately. Okay. So make sure that all of the option is check mark. So now again click on the next option. And here as you can see the data directory where our data will be saved when you create here any database or table. Okay. So if you want, you can change it, but I set it by default and choose here again next. So here is the most important part of the installation, which is password. You can give here any kind of password which you want, but make sure that you need to remember this password when you connect your PostgreSQL with any server or any application. And even when you use the pgAdmin 4, you will be give this password which you given here. Okay, so that's why you need to remember this password. So I just give here Postgres password and retype the password again the Postgres. And if you want, you can give here any kind of password. So it doesn't matter what type of password you give here, but you need to remember this. Okay. So after fill up the retype password, you need to choose here again the next option. And here as you can see, this is our PostgreSQL port number. So when you connect the PostgreSQL server with another application, make sure that the port number is same. Otherwise, the PostgreSQL is not work. Okay. So then again choose here next. Then in the advanced option, just set it by default and choose here next option. And here is the pre-installation summary. Just simply choose here next. So now as you can see, our setup is complete to ready for install. So just also choose here next and our installation is started. And as you can see, our installation is complete. So just simply uncheck mark this option and choose here finish. So our Postgres SQL installation is complete. So now for creating a new database or new table, what you need to do, you need to open the pgAdmin 4. So for find the pgAdmin 4, you need to search this, or you can go to the Windows icon and find here Postgres SQL 14 folder and click on it. And as you can see, here is our pgAdmin 4. Just click on it to open it. So as you can see, when you start the pgAdmin 4, it will show you a pop-up window where you need to be give here your password, which you give here when you install the PostgreSQL. And I tell you to remember this password. Otherwise, you cannot access the pgAdmin 4. So make sure that the password is match which you given before when you install this PostgreSQL. Okay. So I just give here my password which I give when I install this. I give the password is Postgres and click on OK. And as you can see, now I access the pgAdmin 4. So here when you click on the server, you need to give here again the password. Just give here again your password to connect the server and check mark this save password. Otherwise, when you again visit the server to create any database or table, you need to again give here your password. Just check mark this and click on OK. And as you can see it, and it will show you a message with tick mark, which is server is connected. So at the first time, when you visit the pgAdmin 4, you can see here only one database, which name is Postgres. And if you visit the schema, you can see all of the schema of this database. So now what you need to do to creating a new database, just right click on the database and go to create and choose here database. Now it will show you a pop-up window where you need to give here your database name. Okay, just give here your database name which you want to create here. And in the SQL part, you can see here the SQL code. So once you give here your database name, what you need to do, just click on save. And once you click on saved, as you can see, it will create our new database, which name is new DB. So now we have two database, which is new DB and Postgres. So now for creating a table in your new database, for doing this, you need to choose your new database and right click on it and go to the create script. Just click on it. And once you click on it, it will show you a query editor where you can give here your SQL query. So now I just write here a new table query. Just simply write here create table and give here your table name and give here first bracket and first bracket close. In the first bracket, you can give here your table entity or column name. I set the first column name is user ID, which type I set here int. Then I give here full name entity, which type I set here varchar, and length I set here 250. And another entity name is address, which I also set the varchar. And another entity I set here phone number, which I also give the varchar. So for run this query, what you need to do, you need to select this area which you want to be run and go to the execute and refresh. Just click on it. And once you click on it, it will show you the message table is created and our query returned successfully. Okay. So now what you need to do, if you want to see the table, just write here this query, which is select start from new table. And here is our data output, which is showing here our 4 columns. So now what you need to do, we need to insert some values in our new table. Okay. So for doing this, you need to write here this query, which is insert into your table name and first bracket and give here your column name. And for the values, just write here values and again start the first bracket and give here your values and close the first bracket and semicolon. And again just select the query which you want to be run and click on execute and refresh. And as you can see, it will tell you insert 01. That means it will insert your value. For show the output, what you need to do, you need to again write here this query, which is select start from new table and run this. And as you can see, here is our output and it successfully insert our value. Okay. So I hopefully guys you properly understand how to install PostgreSQL in your Windows operating system and how to create a new database on it and how to create table and insert the value on it. Okay. So don't forget to like, comment and share. And if you like this type of video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for never miss any update. And I will see you guys in this next video inshallah. Thank you so much.